Hi class. As you can see, this is lesson 14.4 and it's a review. So we talked about what 1 degree means. A whole turn is 360. There should be 360 little lines. And if you move one, it's only 1/360th. Okay. Now here's some information you know because we worked with it, and it's the right angle. It's like cutting a circle in 4 parts, and if you move it 1/4 of a turn, you get 90 degrees. And we have an acute angle. That would be less than 90 degrees, like you see in this picture. We have an obtuse angle. That measures more than 90 degrees, so it's greater, so it extends out further. And that's a review of angles. What we're going to do is take it to triangles. So here we go. This is the lesson that you will be needing for lesson 14.8 called triangles. Fold my page into 3 parts. This lesson is a continuation of the lesson on angles. Okay, label the title, capitalized, triangles. And our most important one is the right triangle. So we'll call it right triangle. It has one right angle. Okay, I'm going to form a triangle by starting out with an end point and making a ray. I'm going to begin from the same end point and go out that way, just like a regular right angle. Okay, and all you have to do is connect the dots here, connect your lines. You now have a right triangle. What do you have here? You have a 90-degree angle inside. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the acute angle. All vocabularies you know, and now by making it 3 lines long, it is an acute triangle. This is going to have 3 acute angles. So let's see. This is smaller than a right angle, because a right angle would have been like straight. And when I connect my third end point here, you can see that we've got an acute angle, an acute angle, and an acute angle. Yes, this is going quickly because this is like a continuation of the angles lesson. Okay, we're on obtuse angle. Triangle. They're just so similar. We don't need that A. It only has one obtuse angle. Maybe because there's no way to draw two obtuse angles in a triangle. All right, I'm going to start right here. And my ray will point out that way. I don't need to be making arrows because they do close. So they are line segments. And then this should be bigger than a right angle. And now I join my parts here. I'm going to make that an endpoint. That would be way more accurate. Okay. And it almost looks like a right angle, but I did go out a little. And so you can see that this has an obtuse angle there. Just a little bit bigger than a 90-degree angle. It's probably 100. Okay. The other two angles are small. They're cute. So here's a word we're going to include, and it is vertex. A vertex is a corner. And a triangle has 3 of those, vertex. When you change the word vertex to plural, it becomes vertices. So, a triangle has 3, plural of vertex, vertices. And those are corners. A vertex is a corner, and the plural, just to always remember, a vertex is vertices. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 line segments. Good reminder to Mrs. Laura. Why? Because I keep making arrows here, and these are supposed to be line segments, not lines. It can go on forever. Okay, here's a little practice run. And these directions say draw 3 line segments that form a right triangle. That is your practice. You are going to do that. Okay, I trust you're all done there. So I am going to form 3 line segments that make a right triangle. There's my right angle. I connect these. And then this is a huge reminder. Since these two line segments cross, they form what kind of line? You read it. They form a perpendicular line segment. Because they cross and they form a square. Guys, we're done.